Hey designers, let's quickly create this effect in Photoshop by just using layer mask. So, let's get started. This is the picture that I have selected. Let's make a duplicate of it by pressing Ctrl J on your keyboard. Hide the duplicated layer. Go to Image, Adjustments, and select Desaturate. Now, select the duplicated layer and unhide it. Click on the Layer Mask option by pressing Alt-Command on your keyboard. Okay, now take the Selection tool and make a selection of his face like this. It depends on you which area you want to select. Okay, so after the selection is made, choose white as your foreground color. Then, select the Brush tool and ensure the brush opacity is set to 100%. Paint on the selected area with the Brush tool. After that, select the Rectangle tool and create a rectangle on the selection. Ensure that the shape you've created does not have a fill and only has a stroke. Now, go to the blending options of this rectangle and add a drop shadow. Click on the drop shadow icon and adjust the spread, size, etc. Okay, now duplicate this layer by pressing Ctrl J on the keyboard. Select the duplicated layer. Make a larger selection using the Selection tool. Then, choose white as your foreground color. Use the Brush tool with lowered opacity to paint on the selected area. Once done, create another rectangle on top of it using the Rectangle tool. Ensuring it has no fill and only a stroke. Again, access the blending options of this rectangle layer and apply a drop shadow. And you're done. If you found this video helpful, like, comment, and subscribe to Ace Designs.